Well, it's almost coming up to time for us to end. So what we'll do, we'll look at these stumps, and then we'll go to Ikea. Ikea 見つけた. So there's no balls, no kites. Oh, these are toilets! So the reason that you can't go in or on is because they're just lavatories. No way! I was not expecting that. Just toilets. Alright, so we're gonna head to Ikea. Ikeas are notorious for having no signal. So the stream may very possibly drop. That's a nice tree. That's a nice climbing tree. Like, no barriers around as well. Like, although there's a fuck ton of ants. You guys can't see that because the camera's too far away. Freaking hell, there's a lot of ants. Ikea 行ったことがない。IKEA は面白いお店。なんかほとんどファーニチャーの店だけど、なんかそのショールームなどが面白い。でもそこで撮影することができるかどうかわかんないけど、多分できない。でもちょっとだけ。They've got some compliment, which looks to be interesting hangers for like scarves for just under 500 yen. IKEA also do, they're obviously famous for meatballs, but they do nice ice creams and hot dogs as well. Most days that I go to IKEA, I end up buying a hot dog. But because it's hot as balls today, I think I might skip the hot dog. So we've gone from one natural habitat to a place that sells habitats. Alright, the entrance is that way. So I won't do a full on, I know what I'm talking about, I'm going that way. In fact, if you're returning stuff, the entrance is there. And there's actually the monorail still that we saw right at the start. Looks like there might be a skate park out the front. May not be an intentional skate park, given the smoothening on what appears to be that wall, that might be an intentional one. Alright, in we go. Okay, I see no signs about film. Yes. Alright. So IKEA, one thing it's definitely got going for us is it's cool. Like, it is really cool in here. Literally. I think we're going. Yeah, we're going up into the showroom. So I don't have to worry about the phone overheating unless it's from the app working too hard. But because of its solid walls, it's like one concrete building. Signal is going to be the problem.
本日は IKEA 立川にご来店いただき誠にありがとうございます。
Let's see. I think that's that's an actual little tiny skate park. Monorail. Time to walk past the obligatory staff member who will want to give everybody a bag. I'm not going to accept to walk into. We're in first. We're in bedrooms. In sale bedrooms anyway. Oh, small apartment rather, living room. And bedroom. So I think this whole first little section is just show and sale. Of course, you can get yourself a catalogue. It's quite thin though. Still area if you want my new one. I've heard many a story as well of in the bathroom showroom spaces, people actually have tried using the toilet. There's interesting things with IKEA as well, because like if you don't actually go in and look, there's stuff that you'll miss. Like this whole little bedroom here that I've just walked in. There's no indicator that all this is here from the main gangway. Some kid doesn't have to make a bed. Come on. It's not a bad little lamp. Disc lamp. It's a produce, 500 yen. I don't have a desk though. Yeah, stuff like that. There's a nice little bit of cling film saying it's a display unit, do not use it. But I've heard stories. Hey, I used to have this. I used to have this washing machine. Imagine opening that curtain, there's a naked guy actually in that bath. So yeah, so they've got like full on toilet. その際のはしないでと言ってたよ。